Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another video. And in today's video we are going to add another video into the series or the playlist on our YouTube channel, which is relevant to mathematics. So in today's video we are going to discuss the functions of pi, and along with that we will also discuss some basic formulas of logarithms, right? So let's first start with the function of pi. Let me go to the pointer. Okay, fine. So let's start with the functions of pi first. We will discuss two things, but the first one will be the functions of pi, and then in second part we will discuss the formulas of logarithm. So let's start with the functions of pi first. Pi. So what is pi actually? Pi is actually, it's a ratio of circumference to the diameter of circle. Okay, so you can define it as a ratio of circumference to the diameter of any circle. So which is actually equal to 22 by 7, and that is equal to 3.14159. This is the value of pi, right? And pi square is equal to 9.8695. You need to remember these values. That is going to be helpful for you whenever you do some sort of calculations wherever the function of pi is involved. So pi 3 is equal to 31.0063, and 1 by pi is equal to 0.3183, and under root pi is equal to 1.7724, right? So these were some functions of pi, and the basic point we are going to discuss in today's video are the important formulas of logarithms, right? So let's start with that. The first and important log you need to remember is log 1. Log 1 is always equal to 0. The second case is if you have a logarithm log with m and n as values, then you can convert it as log of m to any base. Log of m to any base divided by log of n to the same base, right? And the third case is if you have log of m into n as power, then you can write it as log of m plus, it converts into addition, log of n, right? And if you have any condition like log of m divided by n, then you can write it as, this division will convert into subtraction. Log of m minus log of n. And sorry, in this case, in the previous case, it is in the form of multiplication, log m multiplied by n. And the next formula will be, if you have some conditions like log of any number x raised to the power m, then you can convert it as m will come first and then you will take the logarithm of x. And let's consider another case. If you have some sort of logarithm like log of under root x, and here you have m, you can convert it as minus log of x divided by m. And let's consider another case. If let's say ax is equal to b, then what will be x log a? X log a will be equal to log of b, and you can write it as x will be equal to log of b divided by log of a, right? So these were some functions related to log. So that's it. In next video we will start to discuss some formulas to find out the areas of different shapes like squares, triangles, equilateral triangles, and we have isolated triangles. Then we will move on to circles and semicircles, area of circles, sectors of a circle, and then segments of a circle, and the fillets. So we are going to discuss all those things in the next video. So for today's video we are going to sum up here. So till next video, goodbye, see you guys in next video.